This week was a bit of a revelation. I've just read an article about a Shell Oil report that came out that was written quite a while ago, and it reminded me of Eric Eisenberg's quotation that you see on the screen. Ashley, in the discussion board for week 11, wrote this, stressing honest transparency. Elizabeth wrote this, and here's a quote from an article that you read in this course. You may recall our strategic ambiguity and the degrees it goes through till we reach the intent to mislead. Now, that from the Washington Post of April 5 may lead you to believe, as it did me, that Shell Oil was trying to mislead the public. I don't know how the journalist got a hold of the article in the Shell archives. Notice that it said in 1988 that it could be too late if countermeasures were not taken. Well, there's a copy, and it's marked confidential. However, I was talking with a Shell Oil safety expert who's a friend of mine and said they'd been talking in safety and the environment about this report for a long time. This is what, in 2015, Shell put out about climate change and stressed its investments in oil recovery and other low-carbon investments for the future. And it is true that Shell has created scenarios. As a former Shell employee, I can tell you that they recruited people from all walks of life and specialty areas, environment, politics, geography, geology, you name it. And they're very famous. You can buy these books, if you know about them, on Amazon.com. They're predicting different scenarios of a future world. No, it's not predicting. It's speculating on future worlds, and all of them are radically different. So, is all this plain ambiguity, or is it purposeful deception?